welcome back to my channel. I'm Alexia Leanne. So today we'll be doing another eyeshadow tutorial look with these colors I currently have on my list now. And I did this look with this palette. It is the Morphe Jacqueline Hill The Vault palette. Now what's so cool about these, they come in a pack of 4. So the looks are endless what you can create. The colors, they blend so seamlessly. They are beautiful, pigmented, oh my gosh, all you can imagine for an eyeshadow palette. I also curled my hair this time. I used a beach waver. I just got it, I think it's in the S 1.25, but they created so luscious, beautiful curls. Not too tight, they're just loose, and I love a loose curl. So if you like this look, keep on watching. But before you do, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And tell me what you think about this video. Alright, let's jump right on in with this video. So today we'll be creating another eyeshadow look. These are the palettes I'll be using. They're still Morphe by Jacqueline Hill. And these are the Vault palettes. Now today I'll be using the palettes of Bling Boss and the Ring the Alarm. So I went ahead and used my powder with my Laura Mercier to go ahead and set my under eyes so I wouldn't create so much fallout. Next, I'm going to go ahead and start with the transition shade for my eyelids. And today I'll be using the Ulta Beauty in Sable, and here's a fluffy brush. Holding my brush like this. And this again is just creating the transition stage, and this is just for all the other colors to blend seamlessly. This step is very important, it should not be skipped. Now the palette I'm going to go ahead and start off with is the Ring the Alarm palette. Now to ease in that transition shade that I just created, I'm going to be using this color, it's called Rush. Then I'm going to take another brush, a smaller fluffy brush, and just kind of blend that in just in my crease. Next, I'll be going back to that transition shade that I began with, the Ulta Beauty in Sable. And I'm just going to pack this on my eyelid to keep this place clear. And then I'm going to go back to my palette, and I'm going to use this one again. It's called Ring the Alarm, and I'm going to go back and use a shade. It's called Siren, and I'm just going to place this on the inner of my eyelid. to enter 2/3. Then I'm going to go back into with this brush and kind of just get rid of those harsh lines. It's just a clean, fluffy brush. Now I'm going to go back in with a fluffy brush, and this is where I'm going to use a couple dark coat colors like a brown, and on the other third of the part I'm going to kind of pack that in right there. Taking a clean fluffy brush and just kind of smooth out those harsh lines we have that we created. Now, I want to kind of tone that down just a little bit, so I'm going to go in this color called Mugshot, just to kind of lighten this up. Then I'm going to go in with a flat brush and just a little added shimmer, and this color is called Siren. Again, this is just a bigger fluffy brush. Try to smooth those out. And you can keep building colors until you get the color that you achieve. Now I'm going to go ahead and put on some eyeliner and mascara to go ahead and finish this look. Alright, and here's this finished look of this eye look. Now I'm going to go ahead and pair it with some lipstick to kind of match this. So the first color I'm going to be using is a lip liner by NYX, and it's in the color Plum. So the first thing I'm going to do is just outline my lips. down the middle. And this just kind of gives it more fuller effect. And then I'm going to use the NYX matte lipstick, and it's in the color Siren. And then I'm going to take a brush with some concealer to kind of fix up my lips. And it's just kind of helping you to have a straight line. You're just cleaning up those edges. And I'm going to take my beauty blender. And there we go, there's that finished look.